ask you, what made you want to write a book like this? Because it's something, it always fascinates me when young people sit and write or do anything, express themselves in different ways, when they are looking at the world in a fascinatingly different way. It doesn't seem to, it's a world of imagination. In this case, totally of your imagination, because it doesn't necessarily relate to your everyday life. And because of that, it fascinates me to know how do you do that? I mean, what makes you do that? I know I've been through that age myself, but of course I must tell you that I wasn't capable of writing. So, but anyway, I think it's a very interesting thing, and the first question I would like to ask you is, how did you come upon wanting to write a book like this and to tell a story of this kind, which is very mature in its conceptualization?
Well, I've been writing for a long time now, and slowly my writing itself has developed over the ages, and I write from what I see. I write from what I see as people around me, and the reason, as you say, I kept it in my own world, I kept it so different, is because I wanted it to be something, universal, that could be picked up from someone anywhere in the world and be read. So that it was more about human emotion. It wasn't pigeonholed into some category saying, oh, because this guy is this, that is why he feels this way. That is the only reason that I settled in that. And I'm writing about some pretty controversial stuff anyway. So I didn't want that blowback as well.
There's another, added to that, that's an interesting answer you've given to me. But I personally also feel that, you see, when you write, like whoever, when you're creative, when you paint a picture, you write a book, you write a fiction, like this, a book of fiction, or you write a short story, or maybe you make a film, or maybe so any one of those creative things that you might want to do, write poetry, all of them comes essentially from your own self. It doesn't come from exterior means. The exterior means are really what you use. They are your grist to the mill. Now, that particular mill in which it is working, I would like to know what is it that you want to say? What is it that you wish to express? In this case, I can see that it's a sense of, self-belief that you're dealing with. But there will be, that's a bit abstract, but what is it really that you would like to do in terms of wanting to write of the future? Because this is your first book. But when you want to write again and then again and again, what is it that will make you go on writing?
What will make me go on writing? The writing chooses you. So I've already got story ideas in my head, and my stories will always be about people and how I relate to them, and mostly how they feel, because I feel I connect very strongly with people, and I always want to ensure that what I am seeing, what they are feeling, can be put on a page. And in the end, I think it's about trying to give them an outlet to make sure that they know that they're not the only ones feeling that they are not alone, that it's about exploring human emotion, it's about exploring people in themselves and in a larger context, because people don't exist in a bubble. People exist in the real world, so how real world impacts them and how they impact that. It's a paradigm.
Do you start off by creating a plot in which you place your characters, or do you start off with a character and follow that character through a world that you are discovering as the character itself himself or herself, his discovery?
I think for me the character and the plot both play off of each other. So as the character develops, the plot also moves along with him, and as the plot moves, the character moves along with him, as it does in real life. So how I planned it out is, I plan always the endings first. My endings are always first, and then I work backwards to see how best it will work with the plot, and then how the characters would react in that plot. Or if I value the characters, see more importance, I'll mold the plot to that character. That's why it's a very fluid thing. That's why it's not consistent. Anything can happen in it. That is true.
देखिए 18 साल के लड़के ने एक किताब लिखी है और normally you will not have an author who is so young and who has written a book that is published and it is being sold at some of the best bookshops in the country. Obviously, he is very talented and he's a very capable young person. He's still 18 and he started writing this book when he was 16 years of age. So I was most impressed with it and I think he has a great future ahead of him.
सर हमारी कंट्री में बहुत अच्छी एक जो दौर आया है, जो राइटर्स हैं, मतलब ये दौर ख़त्म हो गया था, राइटर्स को उतनी अहमियत नहीं दी जाती थी, लेकिन अब बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे राइटर्स आ रहे हैं, चाहे बॉलीवुड में भी, मतलब सब अपनी अच्छी अच्छी स्टोरीज लेके आ रहे हैं. तो आप इस बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं सर,
हमारे कंट्री में जो राइटर्स हैं, जो राइटर्स लिखते हैं, उनका दौर कहीं ना कहीं ख़त्म हो चुका था, उन्हें वो तवज्जो नहीं दी जाती थी, लेकिन आज एक वापस दौर आया है कि नए नए राइटर्स आ रहे हैं, अपने नए नए आइडियाज़ लेकर आ रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल
तो
बिल्कुल
इस बारे में आप क्या कहना?
बिल्कुल, तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. इट्स अ वंडरफुल. This new generation is not only a very curious generation, it's also a generation that wants to put a stamp of its own, on the world around. And I think it's a wonderful situation because by doing that, in fact, what is going to be happening is that we are going to create a very positive young generation for our country. And this is a very, very good signal.
सर आप खुद कहीं ना कहीं 9 टाइम नेशनल अवार्ड जीत चुके हैं, तो और आप खुद एक बहुत ही कमाल के राइटर हैं, डायरेक्टर हैं, तो क्या आपने कभी नहीं सोचा है कि आपको भी एक मतलब जो स्टूडेंट हैं उन्हें सिखाना चाहिए राइटिंग को लेके, जो पैशनेट है राइटिंग को लेके?
अब देखिए नहीं, देखिए इसमें क्या है कि व्हेन यू मेक अ फिल्म it's a similar kind of exercise, but there's a difference. When you're making a film, you're making a film with large number of people. When you're writing by yourself. There's a solitariness. I mean, when you're a writer, you're a very lonely person. You're writing by yourself. So there is a difference in creative, the manner of creation, how you create. So those are the qualities. But you see that. But I'm always in. I greatly admire writers because they have to work. It's easier for me as a filmmaker to work with people, but there are so many people that I'm working with. So my pencil and pen are people. While for him, they're actually pencils and pens. So I have not only a pencil and a pen, but I have a pencil and a pen that has a mind to it also, as against a writer, because it is his one mind that is going to be working. So that's why I admire them greatly, and I think he is doing a wonderful job.
सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन जानना चाहूँगा, अगर आपको किसी टॉपिक पे बुक लिखनी हो, खासकर देश और किसी के बायोग्राफी के ऊपर, तो आप किसके ऊपर लिखना चाहेंगे? कोई ज़हन है?
मेरे लिए मैं खुद
अगर आपको लिखना हो,
देखिए अभी तो लिखना तो मैंने तो मेरा तो क्रिएटिव मीडियम है फिल्म बनाना, तो मैं तो लिखता हूँ तो सिर्फ फिल्म के लिए लिखता हूँ. ऐसे तो मतलब नॉट टू पब्लिश एज अ बुक, इस किस्म का राइटिंग मैं करता नहीं हूँ, और मुझे लगता है कि मुझे उसमें ज़्यादा टैलेंट होगा भी नहीं. तो जहाँ अपने अपने हिसाब से करते हैं ना, अपना जो टैलेंट होता है उस हिसाब से हम लोग करते हैं जो कुछ भी काम करते हैं. सो योर क्रिएटिविटी कैन बी इन सो मेनी डिफरेंट वेज. You could be a good singer, you could be a musician, you could be a composer, you could be anything. You could be a poet, writer, filmmaker.
सर क्या फिल्में कर रहे हैं, किस फिल्म पे काम कर रहे हैं इस वक्त आप?
मैं देखिए अभी एक 10 भाग का एक टीवी सीरियल कर रहा हूँ, मिनी सीरीज जिसको कहते हैं, ऑन अपने संविधान पे, भारत के संविधान पे, मेकिंग ऑफ इंडियाज़ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। तो ये कहानी है जब 1946 दिसंबर से लेकर 1949 दिसंबर तक 3 साल हम लोगों ने बैठ के डिबेट किया पार्लियामेंट में और अपना संविधान बनाया। तो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग बिकॉज आई फील कि वी आर अ डेमोक्रेसी एंड ऑल ऑफ अस शुड अंडरस्टैंड एंड नो व्हाट आवर ओन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज। दैट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट।
सर ये कब तक कंप्लीट हो जाएगा?
ये मार्च तक कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।